What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nekwaya and I am makeup obsessed. Also, if you're new, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I'd really appreciate it so much. Now, as you guys can tell from the title of the video, this is a Valentine's Day makeup look. I went for a soft smoky-ish brown eyes, smoky brown eye, and I did a classic red lip. I figured it's Valentine's Day, why not? Yeah, so if you guys are interested in how I got this look over here, definitely keep on watching.
Okay guys, so I am starting off by priming my eyelids. You always want to make sure that you have a flawless, creaseless eyeshadow base before you go in with your eyeshadow, and I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for this. For eyeshadow, I'm using all JUVIA'S Place palettes today, starting off with a Warrior palette, and I'm going in with the shade Cano as my transition shade, so I'm applying that slightly above my crease using windshield wiper motions. Following that up with this brick red shadow from the ZULU palette to define my crease, and I'm essentially just buffing that color into my crease area. To give me that smoky effect, I am smoking out the corners of my eye using the shade Mino, which is from the Warrior palette. It's a very chocolate brown color that is perfect for chocolate girls like me. And then for my lid, I'm going in with the shade Benin. And you guys saw there, I did spritz my brush a little bit just to intensify that shadow and that payoff, that color payoff. Okay, now moving on to my face, I am priming my skin using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which I absolutely love. You guys, this product is so amazing for creating a flawless base. I absolutely am obsessed. I tell you, obsessed with it. For my foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I started applying this foundation and I realized that I forgot to color correct, so I actually stopped for a quick second and went back and did that, because you know you always gotta cover your girl stash. Like, don't let anyone tell you anything else. Cover the girl stash. If it's not waxed off, make sure it's covered. It's not cute. It's not. For concealer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Again, this is one of my absolute favorite concealers. It provides amazing coverage, and it's super blendable, super easy to blend, and I feel like it really gives me a filtered, like, creaseless effect that I just die for. To set those areas, I'm going to go in with my SACHA BUTTERCUP powder, and you always want to make sure you tap off any excess powder before going in, and I make sure to press it into my skin, you guys. To contour, I'm using my FENTY matchstick in the shade Espresso, and I'm just doing a little bit of, snatching here and there. To make sure all my makeup is flawlessly blended and set, I'm setting everything with the Fenty Beauty translucent powder. This is the shade Nutmeg. I'll leave all the information about the products down below, you guys. I was my usual sneaky self and applied my lashes off camera, but now I applied a bit of bronzer, and now I'm just going in with my highlighter, which is the Jackie Aina La Bronze powder from Artist Couture, and I'm just applying that to some of the high points on my face for that little highlight. I'm setting my face using the Too Faced Hangover spray, and then for my lips I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. And that is it for this look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, like, hold a sister down, you guys. Let me know what you think of this look, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Ciao.